Hello everyone and welcome to my video presentation of Polygon, where I'd like to talk about the today's analysis, details and price action of the market. Scrembo here from Emotions Crypto Trading as usually. Let's get into the topic, guys. Make sure to follow me on my main YouTube channel, by the way, and check out our AI bot trading if you think that's something interesting. I'll talk about it at the end of the video, including the one-on-one coaching program. So what's happening, folks? Well, Polygon is sitting right now in the trendings on the top 8, which is still fine. It has for the past 30 days a 29% increase. The past 7 days have been dominating on a 13%. If we get back and we look into the main page, Polygon is still ranked number 13 and it's having a green mark across the board. It's doing quite fine for the past 24 hours. We're actually following the averages of the altcoin markets. That's what happens. Now, in terms of the charts, this is where we're looking at. We had a situation here on a 1-hour candlesticks where Polygon has been ranging for a while and then breaking out of the range, revisiting the median line, which is something extremely important, finding support across 3 digits right there, which are 3 soldiers from the technical side, and then continuing the push back into the overbought area, which is the top side of the cloud. Now this overbought area is being tested right now, it's being retested right now, and it's being followed up with a liquidity gameplay that we need to be careful, because those are usually levels where markets can very easily retrace. There is a lot that people already made in profits. There's people that have been speculating till that point, so there's people which are no longer wishing to go into longs at that level. There is hard to find support in terms of buying pressure on heavily overbought areas, which is why we need to be careful basically. So at the end of the day, Polygon had a great movement during November. This is where it has started, and then the whole month is just basically a nice pump and a nice domination. Take a look into the details, take a look into that 19% across the board, dominating the space very, very nicely. And I'm pretty happy with that because we have a 5 days movement on an 18%, and this is a clear sign of a good situation and condition for Polygon. What about retracements? What about other targets on the lower side if it comes down the way? Well, there is a good level of support appearing on 69. There is something that we could expect on 71, and then the great ones are always going to appear on the 64, 63. These are great spots basically to deal with when we talk about spot trading or a lower leverage trading. This is functioning very well, guys. Beautiful. I mean, the CRSI is also about to point a little bit upwards. You know, any retest here back in the cloud is going to be welcomed, but again, the selling pressure right there is not small. So as soon as you get above the cloud, which is something that happens, and that's the extremely overbought areas, you need to be careful. I'm just pointing that out. You need to be careful by sitting in your positions, because for sure there will be lower levels that you can deal with sooner or later. For example, here on the left side, you can see we have been dealing with, you know, price action above the cloud, but then we've been, you know, sort of way retracing, and then much lower level to be dealing with at that time, including right there another retest, a much lower level to be dealing with, about, you know, 5% cheaper on the price action. I mean, if you already made profits, if you're already sitting on a great side, just secure that and deal with the process differently. Beautiful. That's it for today. Like I said, for those of you that are interested on our AI bot trading, make sure to check out our page. We do perform, you can see our videos. You can see on our page, which is no fancy sales or stuff. It's basically straightforward, done only for me and my close community. No prior fee to participate, only commission from the pure profits achieved, where we perform the trading for you through API trading permission. Very simple. Commission is paid by you every 7 days, and you can reach out to me to participate or find out more. At the same time, the ScremboCoaching.com offers the ability to join in a one-on-one coaching program where intensively I'll take care about you in your education between 4 to 6 weeks. That is designed basically to change the performance of your trading activity in the market. Whether we talk about part-time or full-time, it is important to do it correctly and have benefits behind it. So make sure to register now, find out more and participate. Have a good time at the end of the day. Subscribe to the channel and I'll talk to you soon.